Yo, what's up guys, Stefan here from TechRight. Today we have the LG Stylo 4. Obviously guys, we did a water test as you guys saw. If you guys did not see that, I will put the link in the description down below. We also did a teardown of this phone as well. We did a bend test, we did a burn-in screen test, and we tested everything about this phone and its durability. And I think we need to do something crazy this time. So we're gonna go ahead and drop this phone 50 feet off of a parking structure. Stay tuned. So we have the LG Stylo 4 right here. Christian, the cameraman, the main camera guy, he has the car. He's gonna go down there. We got the camera right there, get in slow motion for you. And we're going on the phone cam now. So yeah. Alright guys, so we have the LG Stylo 4 right here in all of its glory. As you guys can see, we have it turned on. We got Christian, the cameraman, down there. Say hi, bud.
What's up, guys?
Let's go ahead and drop this, okay? We have the handy cam right here. Is right here fine? Is it?
Yep, right here.
Right there? Oh my God. Did you get it? Yeah. Lit. Okay guys, so I know the screen is shattered. Let's go ahead and go down and see how it looks. I don't know what's gonna happen. I know the screen is completely obliterated, but let's see if we can turn on. Let's see, we got Christian right here. Oh my God, dude. We need to clean this up after. That's insane, dude. Oh, I don't want to cut myself. Think it'll turn on? It's not turning on, huh?
Doesn't that look like
That's insane, dude. Look at that.
So
So as you guys see, 50-foot drop. Didn't do too well with the Stylo 4. If you guys want me to do more drop tests like this, but maybe we can do like a case next time. Yeah. We can do some sort of case. That'd be lit. Even higher. We can put in a watermelon or whatever you guys want to see. I thought that was a very interesting test. But yeah, awesome. It's definitely obliterated. So as you guys can see, the Stylo 4 is completely obliterated. The back of the phone is still intact, but the screen is absolutely donezo. Yeah, it's cracked all over the place. We got spider web cracks, just huge cracks, glass falling out, all that stuff. If you guys want me to do another drop test video, maybe do something more interesting, put in a watermelon, do something like maybe Gizmo Slip or TechRight. I'm trying to change up the channel a little with still having my old content on there still. I'm just trying to give you guys, you know, something new, something refreshing, because you guys are definitely some amazing subscribers. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, definitely hit the like button. Tell me in the comments down below, because that's how I know you guys do enjoy these videos. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like as well as subscribing. If you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already, also turn on notifications if you guys want to be a part of the notification squad. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.